A Ferrari SF90 Stradale has met an untimely demise after the supercar collided with a string of parked vehicles. Thankfully, no one was injured. Most of the damage is limited to the front end. The hood is completely detached while the bumper and right headlight seem to be beyond repair. Curiously, the driver of the SF90 fled the scene for unknown reasons. It's speculated that he went in search of medical attention, but there's always the possibility that he left the vehicle to avoid undesirable altercations with the law. Driver of the SF90 was speeding. He hit the row of parked cars head-on. Officers attended and found the vehicle had been abandoned and no injuries were reported. They searched the area and spoke to a number of witnesses but were unable to locate the driver. The car has been seized and to identify and trace the driver continues.